It's a very general practice that bosses and team leaders don't make reports. So someone else will make report for them and then they will analyze or read those reports. I don't think anything can be more wrong than this. It's a very general practice that bosses and team leaders don't make reports. So someone else will make report for them and then they will analyze or read those reports. I don't think anything can be more wrong than this. This is the worst practice to do. It's okay if you are a boss or top management person of a 250 or 500 people team or more than that, then it's okay that someone else creates reports for you. But if you have a team size less than 250 people, I strongly recommend that you should see or you should create reports on your own and then do analysis, because there is something we call as playing with the reports or what if analysis with the real time data. And today's world requires bosses and team leaders to do real time analysis. You can't be like old fashioned. So why do people don't see or don't create reports on their own? So I see there are three reasons for it. So let us analyze one by one. First is historical reason. So when in the beginning, in the olden days, when CRM software or any kind of software came, they were not connected software. They were not internet based. They were standalone software. And they did not have interface for anyone to view anything directly or real time. So what is to happen? Someone in the technical team, generally who is called as MIS team, they will create a report and then print out that report or email that report to the management team. That is the reason probably it was called management information system. So that was true in olden days, but now it's not true. Now almost all software, whether CRM or anything else, all have web-based real-time reporting and even mobile it is available. So first of all, we have to come out of this historical nostalgic feeling of getting report from someone else and then viewing it. Second is the technical reason. Once again, in olden days, the report had to be created which required some technical skills, some technical or programmatical knowledge. You generally had to write SQL queries and all those stuff, which was, I understand, that confusing and difficult or not on a priority for a manager or a boss. But now it is simple. Now you have to just drag and drop. Basically, every report creation requires three things: set the filter, select the fields, select the grouping, and you are done. Nothing else. Yes, that is the only three things that you have to do. So now it is no more technical. आसान है, मुश्किल नहीं है. So give it a try. And third reason I feel is the business reason or analytical reason. Why bosses or team leaders should create a report on their own. Let me try to explain you. See, if a technical person creates a report for me, obviously he might have a good technical knowledge about how to create reports. But there is no doubt that as a business leader or as a functional head of my team, I have much better knowledge and understanding of how my business or my team functions. What are the critical parameters? What are those hidden gestures which I will get from the report, which can trigger some action for me, or which can mean something, which can help me uncover some truth or fact that will change the course of my business. So of course I have that. As a business leader, I will have, or as a business leader, you will have a much better analytical skill as compared to a technical person. Analytical skill in terms of analysis of business. Now tell me one thing, should you allow someone else to create report on your own, or you should create? I strongly recommend that you should create. Now how can NJ help, or how can Sangam CRM help you with this? So there are three ways we can help you with this. Again, three ways. So I told you three problems and I'll tell you three solutions. So first is we have created templates for you. See, it might be difficult to create CRM reports from scratch because you don't know where to start from. But what if I give you some starting point? some basic template for analysis of one particular aspect of your business. And once you take that template and then you change according to your requirement, you add some more fields, you change some filters, you add some more grouping. Now you have perfect report for yourself. Second is, we regularly do webinars and online trainings for our customers and rest of the world also on how to create reports for business owners. And thirdly, we have lots of videos on it which will help you to do. So let me assure you once again, creating report is not difficult in CRM. It is much easy. And getting reports from someone else has more disadvantages than you think. Think on this once again and share with me what you think on this. You can share your feedback, comments, questions, queries, what you liked in this video, what you did not like, anything in the comments. I would be happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching this video and stay tuned. We will have lots of such informative videos for you which will relate to CRM and your business. Thank you for watching. Thank you.